Hey guys, Matthew here. Today we're going to look at a new application called Big Blue Button. The first thing we'll do is look at a broad overview of the software and see what it is and what it can do. Then we'll see how it's integrated into Moodle and look at how to set up a session for your courses. And then last we'll go into a session and explore the features of Big Blue Button from within the application. So let's go ahead and get started. Big Blue Button is a web conferencing tool designed specifically for online learning environments. It allows you to communicate with and present information to your students. With Big Blue Button, you can share audio, video in the form of webcam, desktop sharing, or both simultaneously, and you can share instructional materials. There is a built-in polling tool which makes formative assessment throughout a class session extremely easy. And the recording feature allows you to make sessions available to students throughout the course of a semester or for whatever time period you would like. You can have one-on-one sessions for advising or tutoring. Small group collaboration is possible with the breakout room feature. And of course, one-to-many for presenting content. There's no limit to how many webcams can be shared, making online class discussions simple and engaging. The live whiteboard allows real-time on-screen annotations, either from the instructor or from a selected group of individuals if working collaboratively. Having some form of digital writing device will make the whiteboard feature much easier to use and ultimately a more useful tool. To set up a Big Blue Button session in Moodle, go to Add an Activity and click here. Simply give your session a name and you are ready to go. There are other options to choose from. We will explore these in a later video. By default, you will be set as the moderator and your students set as viewers. If you would like to set a time frame for allowing students to join the session, you can do so here. You must click the Enable box before you can make any changes. To begin a session, click on the link you just created from your Moodle page. You will encounter a series of dialog boxes prompting you to enable Adobe Flash, allow Big Blue Button to access your microphone, and then finally a quick audio test to make sure your mic is working properly. In this video, we will look at how to share your webcam, how to change the display layout, and how to upload content. We will further explore other features in future videos. After you click on the camcorder icon, you will again be prompted with dialog boxes. This time to give Big Blue Button permission to access your webcam. You will get a preview of your webcam output and the option to change the quality. When you are ready, click Start Sharing and you're all set. You can turn webcam sharing on and off at any point during the session without having to allow permissions again. Depending on your objective for the session, the default display layout may not be what you want to use. For instance, if you are conducting an advising session, you may rather switch to a video chat layout. Or if you are presenting content, you may want to have just the slides shown on the screen. Whichever layout option you choose, be sure and click here so that the display is applied to your student screen. Otherwise, your selected display will only be displayed on your screen. Of course, none of this will do us much good if we can't get our content onto the screen. So let's see how to do that. First, click on this icon. If you would like your students to be able to download a copy of the presentation file, click here. You can upload any type of Microsoft Office file or PDF files. Big Blue Button recommends PDF files. Select your file and upload. If the file seems too zoomed out, click here to fit it to the width of the presentation window. I hope you've enjoyed this episode on the Big Blue Button tutorial channel, and I hope you know something now that you didn't know 5 minutes ago. Until next time, I'm Matthew. I'll see you later.